We've likely all been on the job hunt at some point in our lives. Everyone needs money to live after all. Now, in between all the part-time and full-time jobs, there are also smaller freelance gigs and microtasks, sites that you can complete to earn money online. So if the idea of making money online from anywhere in the world sounds appealing, completing odd jobs online for extra cash could be for you. Specifically, Appen, a site that offers flexible part-time and microtask jobs, is a leader in this space of quick projects and finding work. However, Appen is just the tip of the iceberg for these sorts of side gigs, and it always helps to have a few options at your disposal. Today, we're going to be talking about sites like Appen that can open the doors to new jobs and give you a few more options to look through. If that sounds good to you, then let's get on the list. Before we start, it's important to familiarize yourself with Appen before getting into all the other sites. Appen is a site that offers part-time flexible jobs that can be done from anywhere in the world. The site was founded in 1996 in Sydney, Australia. This company has grown so much that they even have their own stock. They have also won many awards in innovation in the language service industry. On Appen, the type of jobs you can apply for include survey and data collection work, transcription jobs, longer-term projects, content moderation roles, and social media categorization. Appen also offers longer-term jobs in industries like engineering, marketing, sales, finance, and language translation. We recommend you check out Appen if you're looking for some side hustle income. It won't replace your day job, but it's decent pay for no real commitment. Now that you're familiar with the company, let's get into a few other Appen alternatives. The first website on our list is Linebridge Com. Founded in 1996. Linebridge is an American company that specializes in translation and localized solutions for other companies. In order to provide those solutions, they hire individuals who can perform tests or complete jobs to improve their site and collect data. These are the types of jobs offered on Linebridge, such as corporate associate, raters, annotators and testers, translators and agencies, interpreters and gaming. If all of these jobs sound a little random, this is actually the sort of work you'll find in the world of online microtasks. These jobs are flexible, completely remote, and also let you work with some pretty interesting companies, especially in the AI space. Again, the smaller tasks such as testing and providing gaming feedback are not going to replace your day job. Try mixing a few different tasks from different websites to grow your income further. The next website is premise.com. This website is another popular alternative to Appen where you can make money by completing short tasks like taking pictures of things in your city, answering short surveys, and sharing your opinion. Tasks on the Premise app can be similar to apps like jigwalk.com, involving taking photos or sharing information about things happening nearby in your city. For example, a task might be to verify if a store sells a particular product or if construction is going on in a certain area. There are also short online surveys and tasks, and overall, Premise data is a very robust Appen competitor you can use. The platform has contributors in over 120 countries and supports 35+ languages. You access Premise.com through its free Android or iOS app. For payments, Premise pays contributors with PayPal Cash, Payoneer, or Bitcoin. The third website on our list is isoftstone.com. Founded in 2001, isoftstone is a global consulting and IT outsourcing firm based in China. They have headquarters located in America as well. Overall, isoftstone is quite similar to Appen and has several of the same job categories. isoftstone offers a variety of primary jobs such as online crowd worker, ad evaluator, project coordinator, and much more. As you can see, a lot of these jobs are a mix of part-time and one-off gigs. There are tons of jobs you can apply for, especially in the technology field. You can sign up by hitting the Join Us button at the top right of their site. You'll see all the job offers that you can apply for based on your location. Out of all the sites like Appen, Amazon Mturk or Mechanical Turk is probably one of the most well-known, seeing as it's run by Amazon. Amazon Mturk is another crowdsourcing marketplace. Their mission is to provide opportunities for experts in their respective fields to complete microtasks for other companies who need a one-time job. Really, the point of websites like Mturk is to connect micro workers with AI, tech, and research companies that need human workers for quality assurance testing, market research, and simple labor. The workforce on Mturk is working 24/7, so you can almost always find an opportunity to land a job or project. Some tasks just need to be done manually by a human, so this is where you could potentially come in and complete those tasks. However, some side hustlers find serious success with Amazon Mturk, as you can see from this thread on Reddit forum. This person has achieved to make $198 per day on Amazon Mturk, and also this person has reached in 1 month up to $1,900 and total earnings of $55K. If you have experience in research, technology, or other insightful projects, then check out Amazon Mturk as one of the best sites like Appen. Clickworker is a data company that helps companies by providing real user data to help develop AI software. The independence that you get with them is pretty sweet since you create your own schedule. Among the tasks that you can do on Clickworker are text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, and much more. Overall, Clickworker is a little less techy than sites like Appen or Linebridge. The tasks do get mundane rather quickly, but hey, if you want to make extra cash while watching TV or something, Clickworker is a viable platform. According to a few users, the average pay seems to be around $8 per hour with an average working time of 4 hours a day. That's honestly impressive for a small job site that offers individual work. You could be making over $200 per week. Remotasks.com is another simple work-from-home site that allows you to make money by completing easy tasks at home. Their site is extremely modern and user-friendly. All you have to do is sign up, learn through easy courses, complete tasks, and get paid. The tasks you complete are as simple as drawing a circle around objects or categorizing items by color, shape, and size. Out of all the sites like Appen, I'd say Remotasks and Clickworker have the most straightforward, grinding out type of work. However, one pro of making money with Remotasks is that they pay through PayPal every week with no minimum to withdraw your money. This definitely seems like the easiest Appen alternative to use, but it also seems to be a slightly lower paying site compared to some of the other previously mentioned ones. So, are these Appen alternatives and part-time job sites worth it? Well, if you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just want a little extra money to pay off your utilities, these Appen alternatives are definitely worth a try. Just remember that these sites are not going to replace your day job. They are simply a way for individuals to make a little extra cash. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video guys, this is Rachel signing out.